couchsurfing guests from Germany, Jonny and Jasmin, and they're visiting me. And today we came to Henningsvær in Lofoten to look around. And at the moment we are arriving to Henningsvær stadium, but I just want to show you this. This is the fish. So one of the local delicacies is dry fish, and that's how they do it. They fish it and then they hang it here. Look at this stadium, guys. These are my guests, Jonny and Jasmin.
Hi.
Where are you from, guys, and what are you doing here?
I actually forgot where we are from. I guess it is far, far away from here.
I actually forgot because it's so cold here.
And she has to pee, but there's no toilet here. We are from Germany.
Oh yeah, we from Germany.
Nice. See, you can swim actually. You can take the stairs.
Yes.
Yeah, you could. You want to show us as a
No, I am, you know, maybe not, maybe not. Not today.
not today.
Yesterday I was in the mood, but
Oh, so sad. Yesterday.
We'll ask you again tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow I can, yes, maybe.
It's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes.
I was in Årnesan 1 week ago, and this is how the environment changed. It was completely snowy, and see. So this is the roof. You can go on the roof. Now we are on the top of it. Home?
I think so. What kind of fish is it?
Cod.
Cod.
Yeah.
Our pride possession in Norway. Northern Norway.
And Chef Terje, what are we gonna eat today? Tell us more. What is gonna be?
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
Yes.
With the local fish, local cod.
Yes.
He
Did
caught
you
it
make
in
a
the
video?
morning. Yes, of course. It's like it's really good.
Then we will have caramelized apples.
Caramelized apples with the cannelle, with the cinnamon, and butter,
And butter.
and and sugar. We'll put some focaccia. So strong.
No. Maybe you should open the door a little bit. This is for the smoke. You fine?
It's okay.
Smoke inside?
Yeah. We like smoke. We are smoking hot girls who like smoke.
Did you smoke before?
No.
No.
I wish lucky.
Look, this delicious food.
Yeah.
Our master chef made it. And I think it will be great. Okay.
It will be fantastic. Yes. I think you know what's the thing, that when you like eat outdoor food, it's anyway always more tasty because you need to work on it hard.
We'll see.
Now we will
It's
see.
enough salt.
Is it pressure is on?
No.
No.
Should I? You want to take it by your own or just?
Yeah, we can just take it, just you know.
I don't remember what's my tea, but
I put the cup next to you.
here?
Yeah,
Oh, it's good.
that's the one you have. Okay, where is the? I don't see anything. I don't see what I'm putting on it because of the. Okay. So enjoy, guys.
Thank
You have
you.
enough.
Thank you
Yeah.
for cooking.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's a good idea, yeah.
Ah, it's hot.
Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, do not hesitate to leave a comment, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate any kind of feedback, and see you again!